Hey boaters, today we are looking at a 2023 Scarab. This is a 195 ID Impulse. This boat is one of the few that has the Wake edition, the Wake package here. So we have some onboard ballasts along with some Surfstream tabs in the back. But this boat's gorgeous. We have really clean, beautifully kept, very low hours. On this boat, it's been kept in the owner's garage aside from the few times they used it. So we got a custom bunk trailer here with fold-away tongue, custom wheels, load guides, all ready to hit the road. So let's hop on up inside and have a look. We're up on board this Scarab 195 ID Impulse with this beautiful Cool Touch black interior. Nice sizable swim platform here, and the Versa Lounge seating allows you to recline and face aft when you're sitting at the beach, or of course tip them aft to regular position for seating in the cockpit. So nice ski tower here with built-in bimini and some board racks. A nice walk-through step on the transom there with some heavy-duty vinyl on the seats so you don't get your seats all marked up. And of course that cushion flips up as well, so that way you can have full seating across the rear bench. Really nice sporty seats here that are bolstered. These seats really hug you, super comfy. Here in the passenger side you have a nice sizable glove box with stereo control along with some USB and 12 volt. And then here at the helm you got some storage, kill switch, and everything else you need here at the dash, and a nice digital readout. Center of the cockpit we have our large in-floor ski locker, and there is your table, post. There are some windscreens. It's a folding removable windscreen that comes with the boat as well. I have the bow filler cushions in up here. Those bow filler cushions are removable. So you can have it normal seating. Otherwise, of course, right now it's laid out so the entire bow is a nice sun pad for lounging and relaxing. And then some additional access to some storage here for different gear like your throwable and such. So got some stainless steel grab rails, cup holders, sound system. This boat's in beautiful shape. All custom flooring that's snap in, snap out, removable. If you want to take a closer look, give us a call or stop on in here at SkipperBud's Quarterdeck Marina.